Are you preparing yourself for nap time? There's your hand. Hey. Hi, Booger. Oh, you got a hair. Let go. There we go. You had a hair. It wasn't your own. It looked like Prima's. Can you smile? Can you smile? Hi, Booger. You're a sleepy girl, huh? You're a sleepy girl. Here comes AC. Hi, AC. She's sniffing you. Does AC check you? She makes sure you're safe? Huh? Are you safe?